Hey friends, this is the Mrs. Wolfie from our half-acre homestead. Yeah, I'm having problems with my hand here. I'm just now able to touch my baby finger with my thumb. It's been about 3 days. I'm panicking because I haven't finished the quilt, and this is my right hand. Anyway, I want to share a little story with you. This is the man I married. Okay, he comes home last night, and in his hands he's got a robin. And he said, it got hit by a Mack truck on the highway. He said, I don't know if we can do anything for it. And I went, you pulled over to pick a robin up off the highway? My poor heart, eh? And he said, well, yeah. And he said, I don't know if we can do anything for him. And I said, just put him out on the deck. You know, somewhere where the dogs aren't going to get him, but somewhere near the edge in case he can take off. He may be just stunned. And he said, well, he can stand okay, but he's, you know, he said when he tries to fly, he just kind of flops around on one side. So he put him out in the on the deck, and I brought the camera out. What you got, Papa?
Oh, poor little Robin, he flew into a transport truck.
Where?
Right
on the highway?
Right in front of the arena. Yeah, I'll get him some water.
Oh my goodness. He might be just stunned.
Well, when he tries to fly, he goes right sideways.
Well, I don't know. Oh, the baby. You gonna be okay? Let me see. Which wing is it, sweetheart? Which wing is it? Okay, let's see this one. Oh yeah, it's his right wing. It's his right wing. He doesn't even want me touching it. And it looks like he's missing a few feathers on the right wing. Maybe not. Here you go, baby. I'm just going to drip some water in his mouth here. Not too much, because they may be like us. If he's got internal bleeding, you know, a drink of water could kill him. So we'll keep him out of the way from the dogs, close to the edge of the deck here, where if he recovers, he'll fly away. If not, you try, Papa. We'll update everybody after supper. It's okay, baby. He knows it's there. All right. Oh, there. He swallowed a little bit of that. All right, let's leave him be. This man with paws like a bear, okay, trying to trickle water into the mouth of a bird. Anyway, later on, he didn't think to take the camera. Howie went, about an hour later, Howie went out to check on the robin, and as he opened the patio door, it flew off the deck and up into the tree, and it started to sing. He said it was a damn Disney moment. This is the Mrs. Wolfie from our half-acre homestead, and that's the man I married, and I will love till the day I die. Take care. God bless.